Do I need any additional accessories to connect Fire Stick with my Samsung Smart TV?
Hello and welcome. Today we're answering a commonly asked question. Do I need any additional accessories to connect Fire Stick with my Samsung Smart TV? The process is pretty straightforward, and we're here to guide you through each step.
What comes with the Fire Stick package?
Amazon's Fire Stick usually comes with everything you need to connect it to your Samsung Smart TV. The package typically includes the Fire Stick itself, a remote, a power adapter, USB cable, and an HDMI extender.
Do you need any additional accessories?
In most cases, you won't need any additional accessories to connect the Fire Stick to your Samsung Smart TV. However, it depends on your specific setup. 1. If your TV has a free HDMI port, you don't need any additional accessories. Plug the Fire Stick directly into the HDMI port. 2. If your TV doesn't have a free HDMI port, you might need an HDMI splitter. This device can provide additional HDMI ports by splitting the signal from one HDMI port into 2 or more. 3. If your TV is wall-mounted and the HDMI ports are hard to reach, you might need an HDMI extender. Good news! This usually comes included in the Fire Stick package. Remember, a stable and fast Wi-Fi connection is essential for the Fire Stick to work smoothly.
How to connect your Fire Stick to the Samsung Smart TV?
Here are the steps. 1. Plug in the Fire Stick into an available HDMI port on your TV. Use the HDMI extender if necessary. 2. Connect the power adapter to the Fire Stick using the USB cable and plug it into a power source. 3. Switch on your TV and use the remote to select the HDMI input channel that corresponds to the port where you plugged in the Fire Stick. 4. Follow the on-screen setup instructions to connect your Fire Stick to your Wi-Fi network and Amazon account. And that's it. Now you should be able to connect your Fire Stick to your Samsung Smart TV without needing any extra accessories, except in specific situations. Remember to keep your Fire Stick updated for the best performance. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you enjoy your streaming experience.